Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the clip on the timeline and verifying sequence settings so color math behaves predictably. Once done, duplicate the clip on another track or create a nested sequence to preserve the original. Make sure the clip is selected so effects will apply to the right layer. Next, open the Effects panel and search for corrective color tools. You'll need them ready. This avoids accidental, irreversible changes and gives you a clean reference to compare inverted results against. Now drag the invert effect onto your selected clip and watch the preview update immediately. This is why you duplicated first. In Effect Controls, choose RGB to invert all channels or pick individual channels to tweak color balance. If skin tones or highlights clip, add a lumetri color or RGB curves before or after invert to control brightness and contrast. Order matters. Once you've set channels, scrub the timeline and adjust any stacked effects so the inverted image reads correctly across different shots. To finish, inspect waveform and vector scope to make sure blacks aren't crushed and highlights aren't blown after inversion. If the result looks unnatural, invert only specific channels. For example, invert red only to preserve skin tones or layer color wheels to rebalance hues. This fixes common issues. Once satisfied, render the region and export a short test file to confirm codec and playback match expectations. If artifacts or banding appear, try higher bit depth in sequence settings or apply slight blur before export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.